Here I have XIAOMI Redmi K40, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open your phone application, then go to the contact section, then select contact which you want to add photo, then tap edit contact, then tap on the camera icon to add its photo. Then you can take photo or the select photo from gallery. Then you can select your photo. Then you can crop this image here and tap OK, and then save. And as you can see, image added to the contact. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.